Here's my recipe for homemade marshmallows. Marshmallows always bring me back to my childhood, so to create that nostalgic feel, I'm using this new Terra Flame s'mores roaster. All right, step 1. To make these marshmallows, start by adding half a cup of warm water to your mixing bowl and whisking 3 packs of unflavored gelatin. After there are no dry clumps, let this sit for about 10 minutes. In the meantime, add these ingredients to a saucepan over medium-high heat and stir with a rubber spatula to combine. Bring this mixture to a boil and cook until it reaches 242 to 245 degrees Fahrenheit. This is called the firm ball stage, and it's super important for the success of your marshmallows. After the 10 minutes is up and your gelatin is set, run your mixer on the lowest speed and begin to slowly pour in the hot syrup mixture. After all the liquid is in, crank up the speed, and in about 5 minutes, you should go from this to this. All right, we're almost done. Next, you want to grease a baking dish with a bit of butter and use a rubber spatula to scoop the mixture into the prepared dish. Lastly, to keep the top of your marshmallows from drying out, you'll want to dust this mixture with a combination of powdered sugar and cornstarch. A 2-to-1 ratio should do. Let this rest uncovered for 4 to 6 hours, then cut into large cubes or any shape your heart desires. All right, now it's your turn. Grab a few friends, a Terra Flame s'mores roaster, and look for those Chef Dev recipes in their brand new cookbook.